Alright, let's get you set up to code. In this quick guide, we're doing a complete beginner-friendly install of Visual Studio Code on Windows 11. First, open your browser and search for Visual Studio Code. You want the very first link, code.visualstudio.com. Click that. On the home page, click the big Download for Windows button. Your download will start, and as soon as it's finished, go ahead and click the installer to run it. This is the setup wizard. We can fly through the first few screens. Go ahead and accept the license agreement and click Next. The default location is perfect, so click Next again. And the Start menu folder is also fine, so click Next. Okay, stop. This is the most important screen. By default, none of these are checked. You want to check all of them. Create a desktop icon is helpful. The Open with Code options are essential. They let you right-click any file or folder and open it directly in VS Code. Register Code makes it the default editor for common file types. And the most important one, Add to Path. This lets you type the word code into your terminal to open projects, which I'll show you later. Once all boxes are checked, click Next and then click Install. Before you click Finish, uncheck the Launch Visual Studio Code box. I want to show you a few different ways to open your projects, starting with the desktop icon. Go ahead and click Finish. On our desktop, double-click the new Visual Studio Code icon. VS Code will now launch. Let's make sure everything works by running our first Hello World script. First, click the Explorer icon on the top left, and then click Open Folder. We need a project folder, so I'll navigate to my desktop, right-click, and create a new folder called Test Project. Select that folder. Now, in your Test Project panel, click the New File icon. We'll call this test.py to make it a Python file. In the editor, let's type a simple command, print hello world. To run this, go to the Terminal menu at the top and click New Terminal. In the panel that appears, just type python test.py and hit Enter. And there it is, Hello World. Our installation is working perfectly. Now, let me show you why we check those boxes during the install. I'll close VS Code. If I right-click our test project folder and click Show More Options, we now have the Open with Code menu item. Clicking that instantly opens our project. That's great, but here's the real power user trick. I'll open my test project folder. Now, I'll right-click and choose Open in Terminal. Inside this terminal, just type code, a space, and a period. Hit Enter, and it opens our project right up. This is the fastest way to get to work. For a final bonus test, open your terminal and select your Ubuntu profile for WSL. If you don't have this set up, I have a full tutorial for that linked on screen and in the description. From inside Linux, I'll make a new directory with mkdir test project and change into it with cd test project. Now, from inside Linux, if I type code. And hit Enter, VS Code still launches, but look closely. It's now connected directly to my Ubuntu environment. This is an incredible feature for developers. And there you have it, a complete installation and setup with all the important extra steps included. If this guide helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more fast, straight-to-the-point tutorials. Thanks for watching.